Welcome back to another vlog, guys. So today is the last day of the Trendsetters Bazaar. I'm with my sister. We're a bit late for the bazaar, pero okay lang yun. Medyo siguro 1 PM kami magsa-start. We're already on our way. I haven't eaten anything yet, but bumili sila ng Sakura Ikarage. Makirito. Yung bago na Tokyo super sarap. Super sarap talaga. Still raining. Saya ng Bali kagabi kasi sobrang ganda. Feel ko na sa field trip ako. Kasi before, di ba, pag nakakanood tayo ng Bali kapag mga field trip lang. So, ayun. Oh, I'm using the Airspan again today. Hindi ko pa siya nagawa ng video, pero girl, ang ganda talaga kahapon. As in, all day, wala akong retouch. Super ganda. I love it. We're starting now with the pre-love makeup sale last day today. Super na madali kami mag-set up, pero okay na lang. Okay. This is Julius. Hi, Julius! Nagbigay pa siya ng... What's this?
Egg tart.
Oh my gosh, thank you so much.
Binondo.
Thank you, thank you. I like your glasses. Bongga. We still have a few clothes left. Actually, konti pa lang bibili sa clothes natin, pero sumigap. Super pakyaw na. And we still have the ring light. Maganda ang lighting namin kasi may ring light. So perfect din siya for people asking for photos. Diba? Para bonggang-bongga yung ilaw natin. I wasn't able to do my hair, pero... Kamusta ka na, girl? Ano? He's doing all the work. As in, siya yung compute and all of that. Yeah. Ano oras na ba? 2:12 pa lang. 1 hour in. Si Johara, binigyan ako ng girl, my gosh, Yema cake. Thank you, girl. Siya yung same person na nagbigay sa akin ng movie ticket. Pero ayaw niya magpakita sa vlog, so... I bought lunch, guys. Of course, meron na naman tayong slamen, pero wings and then chips, and then bumili ako ng bihon. Share kami ni Isa dito. Yummy! So, Nigel from Shopback just came to the booth. Sorry, Nigel, hindi kita na-vlog, pero thank you so much for the cupcakes! My gosh, ang dami kong food na natanggap ngayon, ha? Pinapataba nila ako. But yeah, this is from Shopback. Wait. Tada! Thank you! Cupcakes. Yum. Then meron tayong egg tart. Meron tayong yema. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. This is AJ. Hi, AJ! Binigyan niya ako ng cookie. So, ito ba ikaw gumawa, girl? Wow!
So, my idol shop would be, ano ba yun? Cookiepedia.
Cookiepedia. Oh. Works. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you, sis.
We're gonna try the tarts. Ay! Yummy! Thank you so much. Bullshit ka. Konti na lang, guys. Konti na lang. Super dahil pang gagawin after. I mean, mamaya pag-egress. 9 PM pag girl. Pero once na maubos ito, we're gonna go ahead na rin. I think so sleepy. So, bumili na ako ng coffee. At nakabili rin ako ng alcohol, 20 pesos. Hygienics. Ayan. Parang it's getting heavier and heavier and heavier. So, kailangan ko ng coffee. Inanto ka na? Inanto ka na? I'm here with Mafi and Perfecta! Hi! Dinala nila ako ng stuff. Guys, look at this. Ito ba maanghang din? Nakakaloka. Gusto nila gawin ko yung spicy noodle challenge. Ito mukhang maanghang talaga ng bongga. Look at that. Super black ba naman, girl? Siyempre, di ba? Black and red. And then we have a lot more stuff. Thank you, thank you. From your shop ba to? Ano shop mo, girl?
RMK shop online.
Sa'yo pala yun?
Yes.
Palips
Yung
ka.
bestseller na
Yung lip tint?
Yung deodorant. Whitening deodorant. Yeah.
Follow them. Instagram, tama ba? RMK shop.
RMK shop. Online.
Okay. Love it. Thank you.
Wala si Ana.
Si Joyce nandito. Hi, Joyce.
Hi, sis.
I'm with Karen and Nika. Ano yung mga ay, nahulog yung cellphone niya, girl. Anyway. Ano mga shoutout niya, girl?
Hi, Iya. Hi, Kiwa.
Super sarap ng cookie. Yung binigay sa akin niya. Thank you so much. Fruta del Prato. Hindi ko alam pwede yung name na... Hindi. Iba-iba. Cookiepedia. Super chewy. Kasi ayoko ng cookie na matigas. So, ito super chewy. Down to our last 3 products, guys, and then we're gonna go. I cannot. Sobrang pagod na ako. Parang, bakit may smudge, girl? Feel ko magkakaubo ko ng bongga. Ilang beses ako naulunan the past few days. Egg rest ngayon, kaya we have to take everything home. Konting clothes na lang natira. And then the table. Plus the other stuff over here. Thank you so much to everyone who came today. And sa mga nagbigay ng food, thank you so much. As in, nabusog kami ni Isa. I love the egg tarts. Super sarap. Diba? Egg tarts? Si Isa lang pinagod ko today. Share yung cashier ko. Oh my gosh. Bongga. Magkano ang TF mo?
100,000.
Hindi ka bili mga plates. Konti na. Suot mo, Judy Ann. Sinuot ni Judy Ann. Bakit ayaw niya suot ni Judy Ann? Nababaliw na ako kasi ako na. Lemon, guys. Sweet lemon. Galing po sila ng Laguna. Ngayon lang sila dumating. We're all done, guys. Tapos na yung booth namin. Now we have to go out na kasi ano na yung Uber. Yeah. Love it. Thank you so much, everyone.